From upstream to midstream to downstream of oil and gas industry, each transaction must be measured. It is related directly to the key interest of parties involved in the transaction. Correct select valve is very essential to the fair trade. Modern metering system using computer to process pressure, temperature, and flow meter data to improve the accuracy of metering. But the accuracy of flow meter is the foundation. Turbulence, meter range limitation, periodically calibration, and repair and replacement are key factors for metering accuracy. Through conduit valve port is the key for reduction of turbulence impact. Meter range limitation exists in all types of meters. To keep meter operating under its range, connect meters parallelly and switch valves on-off frequently to keep running meter within its range limitation is the common solution. Frequent stroke valve could easily cause sealing area worn out, so friction-free on-off operation between seats and sealing members are very critical for valve long last. It is normally very low differential pressure across the closed valve. It requires that the valve must be mechanical energized sealing. Sealing rely on differential pressure will not work. Periodically, calibration might be required by law. This is a typical online calibration layout. To ensure the same flow passes the prover and the meter to be calibrated are critical. So, all valve shutdown in this schematic diagram needs to provide positive isolation with proven zero leakage. It means that the valve must meet DBB to provide proven isolation under pressure from both sides of the valve in accordance with API 6D. Let's take the red meter as an example. To replace this meter, 3 valves must provide proven isolation so that the red meter can be removed from its position. For flammable or explosive flow, such isolation must be positive isolation with proven zero leakage. In such condition, valve must provide 2 sealing elements to meet DIB as per API 6D. To summarize all above, following features are the musts for metering valve application. They are through conduit port, sealing area friction-free on-off, mechanical energized seal, DBB, and DIB. Conventional trunnion ball valve are based on differential pressure sealing principle. Could not provide mechanical energized seal. Besides, the sealing member are always contact during stroking, which can cause sealing are worn out quickly, so they are not right choice for metering application. Rising stem ball valve meets sealing area friction-free on-off and mechanical energized sealing, but single rising stem ball valve will not meet DBB or DIB. 2 rising stem ball valve formed group can meet DBB and DIB, but it is bulky, complicated to operate, and expensive. Neat seal ball valve perfectly meet all requirements for metering application. It is through conduit in open position. When closing, ball assembly will rotate to close position friction-free between seat and sealing members. Further rotate stem will cause the sealing member to be pressed mechanically towards the seats, so two mechanical energized sealing are achieved regardless of the line pressure. It meets both DBB and DIB. To open, the sealing member retracts firstly. Then ball assembly will rotate friction-free to full open position. Therefore, neat seal ball valve can last very long, which is the ideal solution to the metering application.